Hello everyone. Welcome back to home gardening and more. In this video we will see certain benefits of raised bed gardening and 5 commonly asked questions. Moving on to the benefits. Benefit number 1. Improved drainage. Raised beds allow excess water to drain more effectively, preventing waterlogging. Benefit number 2. Control over soil. You can create a customized soil mix, which is especially helpful for specific plants. And hey, just a second. It would be highly motivating for me to make more such videos if you could just hit the subscribe button. Okay, moving further. Benefit number 3. Reduced weeds. Raised beds are less prone to weed growth due to the defined growing area. Benefit number 4. Warmer soil. Soil in raised beds warms up earlier in the spring, extending the growing season. Benefit number 5. Easier access. Beds are elevated, reducing the need to bend, making gardening more comfortable. Benefit number 6. Better pest control. Raised beds can be covered with netting or covers to protect plants from pests. Benefit number 7. Higher yields. Proper soil and spacing often lead to increased plant productivity. Benefit number 8. Aesthetic appeal. Raised beds can enhance the visual appeal of your garden space. Moving on to the next part of the video. 5 commonly asked questions about raised bed gardens along with their answers. Question number 1. What materials can I use to build raised beds? You can use wood, stone, concrete blocks, or even metal to build raised beds. Choose a material that suits your garden's aesthetics and budget. Question number 2. How deep should a raised bed be? A depth of 6 to 12 inches is usually sufficient for most plants, but root crops like carrots may require deeper beds. Question number 3. What soil mix should I use? A common mix is equal parts of compost, topsoil, and a soilless mix like peat moss or coconut coir. This provides good drainage and nutrient retention. Question number 4. Do I need to line the bottom of the raised bed? Lining the bottom with weed fabric can help prevent weeds from growing up into the bed, but it's not necessary. Proper soil depth and preparation can be sufficient. Question number 5. What vegetables are best suited for raised beds? Many vegetables thrive in raised beds, including tomatoes, lettuce, peppers, carrots, and herbs. The improved soil quality can lead to healthier plants. Remember that local climate and conditions can influence your approach to raised bed gardening, so it's always a good idea to adapt advice to your specific situation.